For mommy.
For mommy.
Thank you.
만드는 시간보다 청소 시간이 더 긴 것 같아. 흔들어.
괜찮네?
이거 하시고 막 하지 않아?
봄바야, 봄바야.
한 바퀴 돌아, 한 바퀴 돌아.
봄바야.
봄바야. 야, 봄바야. 하시고 막 하지 않아? 한 바퀴 돌아, 한 바퀴 돌아.
그냥 오렌지 주스 같이 보이지?
안 되네. 이게 끝에가 조금 무르는 데 있어.
뚜두두두둔.
파인애플.
파인애플.
I got oh,
Apple
apple pen. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. 이거 이름 펜파인. Apple pen. 오케이 오케이. Yeah. That looks so pretty. Pretty. Mom.
Okay.
Thank
you.
Love shot, love shot. Love shot. Love shot. 신세랑 take a picture. 이거 찍어야지. One, two, three.
어떠냐고 물어봤을 거야.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Okay, but there's a bit sweet.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you for the food.
โอเคค่ะ ตอนนี้ขอเซอร์ไพรส์
What? What is it?
You?
이게 최신이야.
오! 진짜.
You?
너 어머니 진짜 손재주가 좋으신 것 같아.
이거 어머니가 만들어 놓은 거야?
ทำเอง
아, 맞대요. 네. 오.
All night last night.
May health, happiness, and good time greet you.
행복하게? 건강하고? 그리고 건강 챙기라고.
I wish you always be happy in your life and achieve all your goals.
Thank you. วันนี้เจอพวกเราสี่สาวครบพร้อมหน้าครั้งแรกที่ไทยรู้สึกเป็นไงบ้างคะ
ที่ไทยรู้สึกแบบรอมากตื่นเต้นมากคือแบบรอจะได้เจอพร้อมหน้าพร้อมตากันอยากให้มาบ่อยๆ อยากให้มามากเลย
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy.
진짜 저 그때 밥 제일 많이 먹었어요. 리사 어머니가 해주신 밥. 감동 먹었어요.
뭔가 보면 되게 울컥해요. 왠지 모르겠어요. 되게 이상한 것 같아요.